They're taking pictures of us.
Sorry guys, land right there.
You might be looking at the rooftop. Nice and smooth, white.
Now they caught some wind. Huh?
They shoot.
Look at the fire. You can land it right there. You can land in our cul-de-sac.
We'll call a propane truck and get you some more gas.
We'll give you our barbecue bottle.
You can land it right
You can land in our cul-de-sac.
Good morning.
Everybody's that way.
Hello!
Like we've never seen
I know.
never seen a hot air.
I found a yellow one.
Gotta get a fishing pole.
Yeah, there you go.
Can't understand.
Something, I hope you have something ready.
Bloody Mary. He's taking a picture
He's taking
of
a
us.
picture.
Of us taking a picture.
Wow. Oh, there's an iPad.
Oh yes!
Somebody just. Look at that.
Where's the iPod?
So,
See the white one? She's holding it up, taking pictures.
If she dropped the iPod, I'd do that.
Oh yeah, that.
I didn't get that. I would go like, yeah, yeah.